Hello, John. This will be some video feedback for Milestone 1. And if you have any questions or delays, just let me know, and I bid you strength in the upcoming 4 weeks. John, this is very detailed, and I see it, it's time-consuming. It's time-consuming how to figure out how to get runaround on a non-square object. It's time-consuming to create these echoing borders, which are really nice. I think they could be repeated here as well. I think I prefer the softness of that to the hard-edged borders, or perhaps no border at all. Whoops, nope, can't do that. Did I cancel it? Will it work? I love playing with other people's ingredients. Anyway, you get the idea. That would be in the interest of keeping it clean. I like this arc here. Perhaps you could repeat it up here too, to almost echo the beach, what do you call that? The surf line. I'm glad you bled, but consider also bleeding off the top. Perhaps just move things around a little bit for legibility. Remember too, you can stagger things. There's no reason not to. And I like the contrast to scale, but you could really push it. Oops, maybe not that much. This doesn't have to be so big. And consider simplifying it. Run your. If you have any English majors in the household, try running it by them. But again, it doesn't need to be large, and you can probably get it on a few lines. Maybe not that few. There's some things you probably don't want to break, so be conscientious about where you break lines. But some of the things you need to consider. You've got the ingredients. Consider other arrangements. It's so fun to play with your files because you've got everything. Perhaps too many, though. Consider that's maybe a little too planetary for your taste or for mine. Think about visual hierarchy. I've been moving things around willy-nilly, but really think about it. What do you want them to see first? Should it be the logo? Perhaps, perhaps it should be. And what do you want them to see next? Should it be an image? Should it be more of the type? Should you have fewer ingredients? You can sketch. Do screenshots, though, so you have a record of your progress. And so that in week 8, you've got the materials to knit together the narrative. Now, the narrative in week 8 is a full third of the grade. So there are 3 deliverables by the end of the class. The first is the print ad, which is this. The second is the web banner ad. And the third is the reflected document. Your file is structured beautifully. You've got everything on their own layers, nicely masked too. You figured that out, and there's so much learning in this. I'm really impressed. So your file structure is good. It should be very easy to make a web banner of this. I'm going to leave it here. And again, if you have any questions in the next couple weeks, don't hesitate to reach out.